Hello students, now I am going to explain intermediate max 2b circle children. So we are doing exercise 1c. We have completed first section children in the second bit. So it is very important children, important problem for your IP examination 7 marks question. So find the length of chord intercepted by the circle x square plus 5 square minus x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0 on the line y is equals to x minus 3 children. So given equation of circle is this one children. So comparing above equation with this one children. So here 2g value is minus 1, 2f value is 3, c value is minus 22 children. So send to that side, it will become g is equals to minus 1 by 2, f equal to 3 by 2, c equal to minus 22 children. Equation 1. So is asking to find length of chord children. Length of chord formula is 2 into under root r square minus d square. So this is the diagram structure children. First of all, so it is circle with center C. It is a chord children. AB is a chord. So join here C to M. It is a perpendicular distance from center to the line. Given line, what is that given line? Y equal to x minus 3. So if you join this, you are getting right angle triangle children. Same process we did in example problems also. So we have to calculate center, radius and d value children. So we will calculate one by one. So your center is equal to how much children? Formula minus g comma minus f. So your g value is negative, so it will become positive. F value positive, here it will become negative. So center equal to 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 children. Equation 2. Consider radius children. Formula is under root g square plus f square minus c. So here under root g value is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square. F value is 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 whole square minus c value is minus 22 from 1 I wrote. So here this becomes 1 by 4. Here this becomes 9 by 4. Why? Because 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Here minus into minus plus. Here both are like fractions children. You can add the numerators. 1 plus 9 how much? 10. 10 by 4 means 2 to the 2 5 the. So 5 by 2 plus 22 children. So you can write 5 as it is. Here 22 into 2. 22 to the 44 by 2. Why? Because overall LCM 2 children. That's why. So 5 plus 44 is how much? 49. Root 49 by root 2 children. Root 49 means 7 by root 2 as it is. Equation number 3. Given line is y equal to x minus 3 children. Send this y that side, plus will become minus. So write in order x minus y minus 3. So x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So let d is equals to perpendicular distance. D is equals to perpendicular distance from center. What is the center children? 1 comma 2. Center is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 to the line x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So you know this perpendicular distance formula is modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So here a value is 1 children, b value minus 1, c value minus 3. So 1 into 1 by 2 plus minus 1 into minus 3 by 2 plus c value is minus 3. So plus into minus minus, that's why I wrote here minus directly. By a value is 1, b value is minus 1. So 1 square plus 1 minus 1 square. So 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus. So 3 by 2 minus 3. By 1 square 1, 1 square 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is, we can add the numerators. Why? Because both are like fractions. So 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. 4 by 2 is nothing but 2 1s are 2 2s are. That only I have written children. 2 minus mod 2 minus 3 by root 2. So 2 minus 3 how much children? Minus 1. So modulus of negative is positive children. So how much? 1 by root 2. So we got radius value and d value. R value, d value. So length of chord formula is 2 into under root r square minus d square. So what is the value of r we got children? 7 by root 2. So 7 by root 2 whole square minus d value is 1 by root 2 whole square. From where I wrote? From 3 comma 4. 7 square 49 by root 2 square minus 1 square 1 by root 2 square. Square root cancel, square root cancel. So both are like fractions. So we can minus numerators. 49 minus 1 is 48. 48 by 2 means 2 1 the 2, 24 the. Why? Because 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8. So 24 can be written as 4 into 6 children. Again you can write root separately. Root 4 into root 6. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So 2 into 2 how much? 4. 4 root 6 units. So this is the length of chord children. So next second problem. Find the length of chord formed by the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0 on the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Means same format you should do, children. So given equation of circle is this one, children. Comparing above equation with this equation, here 2g value is minus 8, 2f value is minus 2, c value is minus 8, children. Send to the chat means 2 1 the 2 4 the 2 1 the 2 1 the. So g is equal to minus 4 you got, f equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 8. So center formula is c is equal to minus g comma minus f, children. So this negative will become positive, negative will become positive, means center is 4 comma 1. Next calculate radius, children. So meanwhile diagram is same. This is a circle with center C. Here AB is a chord. So join means if you are getting right angle triangle. This is a radius and this is a perpendicular distance. So r is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c, children. So r is equal to, so g value how much we got, children? Minus 4. F value we got minus 1 and c value minus 8. From where we got this value, children? From equation number 1. So 4 square is 16, 1 square is 1, minus into minus is plus. So 16 plus 1 17, 17 plus 8 is 25. So root 25 means 5. Equation number 3. Given line is x plus 5 plus 1 equal to 0. So let d be the perpendicular distance from center. Center how much we got, children? 4 comma 1 to the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Here x1 y1. So d is equal to modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. Here a value 1, b value 1, c value 1. So 1 into 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 by 1 square plus 1 square. So 1 4 the 4, 1 1 the 1, 1 1 by 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, children. That's why I wrote directly. So here 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So modulus of positive is positive only. So 6 by root 2. 6 can be written as 2 into 3, children. Again 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2, 1 root 2 gets cancelled. So 2 into root 3 is nothing but 3 root 2. D value how much we got, children? 3 root 2. So length of chord formula is 2 into under root r square minus b square, children. So 2 into. So radius how much we got, children? 5 from equation 3. And d value we got 3 root 2 whole square from 3 comma 4. 5 square 25. Here apply square for 3 as well as root 2. 3 square into root 2 square. Square root cancel. 3 square how much, children? 9. 9 to the 18. So 25 minus 18 how much? 7. So answer is how much? Length of chord is 2 root 7 units. Is it clear, children? Next. Find the length of chord formed by x square plus y square equal to a square on the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. So this is the same process, children. So first given circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. Comparing above equation with x square plus y square equal to r square. So directly you will get radius, children. Why? Because it is a general equation. So radius is equal to how much? R equal to a. So you can draw the circle, children. Same diagram structure it will come. And here perpendicular distance, join means radius, hypotenuse, d. So given line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Send p left side, children, it will become minus. So let d is equal to perpendicular distance from center. For this center is 0 comma 0, children, to the line. Why? Because general equation, no? So perpendicular distance from center 0 comma 0 to the line. So direct formula, children, whenever origin is given, we are having direct formula is perpendicular distance is mod c by under root a square plus b square. So here a is equals to cos alpha, b is equals to sin alpha, c is equals to minus p, children. So c value is minus p by a square means cos alpha square plus b means sin alpha square. modulus of negative is positive, children. P by cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. We know that in trigonometry cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So root 1 is 1. So d is equals to p, children. Therefore length of chord is equals to 2 into under root. Radius how much we got, children? A means a square minus d value how much we got? P means p square from 1 comma 2. So what is the length of chord, children, for this problem? 2 into under root a square minus p square. Next, find the equation of circle with center 2 comma 3 and touching the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0, children. It is also one of the important problem for 4 marks. So given center is c is equal to 2 comma 3, children, and given line is 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. So we know that if a line touches the circle, then perpendicular distance from center to a line is equal to radius of circle. Already in example problems we have proved radius is equal to perpendicular distance. So this is our same diagram structure, children. So here circle with center C, children. So on this line is touching, children. So this is the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. So with center 2 comma 3 is given in question. Here make it as another point M. So here what is the condition, children? Touches means radius is equal to perpendicular distance, means r equal to d. So directly consider that one, children, r equal to d. So r equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. So formula is same, children. Modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to c by under root a square plus b square. Here a value is 3, b value is minus 4, c value is 1. Means 3 into 2 plus minus 4 into 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus minus 4 square. That only I have written, children. So plus into minus minus, that's why I wrote here minus. So 3 to the 6, 4 3 is 12 plus 1. So here I wrote 6 as it is, children. No. So here 6 minus 12 how much, children? 6 minus 12 how much? In these two minus 6 plus 1 I wrote as it is. By 9 plus 16 how much? 25. So mod minus 6 plus 1 is how much? Minus 5. Root 25 means 5. Modulus of negative is positive, children. 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. So radius how much we got, children? 1. So we know center and we know radius. So what is the circle equation, children? So equation of circle having center in question itself is given 2 comma 3 and radius r equal to 1 we got is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So here center h comma k. So h value is 2, k value is 3 is equal to r value is 1 square. A minus b whole square, children. A square minus 2ab plus b square means here a value x, b value 2. Same formula, a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A value y, b value 3, children, is equal to 1. Then on this side, children, here x square 2 into 2 4x, 2 square 4. Here y square I wrote as it is, 2 3s are 6 plus 3 square 9 minus 1. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, constant right in one bracket, children. 4 plus 9 minus 1. So 4 plus 9 how much? 13, children. 13 minus 1 is 12. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0, which is required equation of circle. Next, in this fifth one, children, find equation of circle with center minus 3 comma 4 and touching y-axis So same model, children. It is also important, 4 marks. So given center is minus 3 comma 4, children, is asking to find equation of circle. So consider r equal to perpendicular distance from center to y-axis. Y-axis means what, children? X is equals to 0. What is the equation we will get, children? X is equals to 0. Means we can write this line as 1x plus 0y plus 0 is equals to 0, children. Why? Because x is equals to 0 means this is a condition or not, children. So y-axis is nothing but x is equals to 0. Again this x can be written as, for your knowledge, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 format. In how we can write? 1x plus 0y plus 0 equal to 0. So same condition it is coming. So Same diagram children, circle, and this is a line 1x plus 0y plus 0 equal to 0 touching the circle, means radius is equal to perpendicular distance. So r equal to same formula, modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So here a value is 1, b value 0, c value 0. So 1 into here x1 value how much children, minus 3, plus 0 into y1 value 4, plus c value is 0 by 1 square plus 0 square. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. See 0 into something 0 children by 1 plus 0. So minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3 by 1 plus 0 is 1. Root 1 means 1 only children. So modulus of negative is positive, means 3 by 1 is nothing but 3. Radius is 3 children. Therefore the equation of circle having center c minus 3 comma 4 and radius 3 is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So here h value minus 3 and k value 4 and r value 3. So this becomes minus into minus is plus children. Here a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A value y, b value 4. 3 square means 9. So here a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a value x, b value 3. Plus y square plus 4 square is 16 minus 2 4 the 8y. Send this 9 this side minus 9. So here x square, 3 square 9, 2 3 the 6, y square 16 minus 8y minus 9. Here plus 9 minus 9 gets cancelled children. So x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 16 equal to 0, which is required equation of the circle. Next to 6th one children. Next to 6th one. So find equation of tangent of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0 at the point whose ordinates are 1. Whose ordinates are 1 children. So ordinates comes under y-axis children. Ordinates means y-axis. Abscissa means x-axis. So given equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0 children. So first of all draw a circle children. Draw a circle x-axis, y-axis. So here right side one tangent is there, left side one tangent is there. Name that point as x1 comma 1 and q point x2 comma 1. Why? Because ordinates are 1 means y-axis. Y-axis coordinates are 1 means we have to find these x1 as well as x2 values children. X1 as x1 and x2 values children. So here how we can write this one children, x is equal to, so in further steps it will come directly. So first of all you see meanwhile children. So coordinates of P are x1 comma 1. Coordinates of P are x1 comma 1. Why? Because ordinates are 1. Ordinates means y-axis is 1. So P is a point on the circle is given children. P is a point on circle from figure C. P is a point on the circle, means it passes through the given circle. So here x1 value, x value is x1, y value is 1. So x1 square plus 1 square minus 8 into x1 minus 2 into 1 plus 12 equal to 0. Substitute in given circle equation. So x1 square 1, here 8x1, here 2. So here x1 square minus 8x1, see children constants. Minus 2 plus 12 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So x1 square minus 8x1 plus 11 is equal to 0 children. So comparing above equation with ax1 square plus bx1 plus c equal to 0. Clearly it is a quadratic equation children. So here a equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c equal to 11. So consider x1 equals to y because variable is x1 minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here minus right as it is, b value is minus 8 plus or minus minus 8 square minus 4 into 1 into 11 children. So minus into minus plus 8 plus or minus under root 8 square 64 4 11s are 44 by 2. 64 minus 44 is 20 children. So again this 20 can be written as 4 into 5. Again this 4 can be written as root 4 into root 5. So root 4 means 2. So 2 root 5. So in numerator we can take 2 common children. 2 taking common means 2 4 the plus 2 1 the means root 5 by 2. 2 to cancel children. So x1 is equals to 4 plus or minus root 5 children. So therefore coordinates of P are 4 plus root 5 comma 1 and Q 4 minus root 5 comma 1. Take one value as x1 value in P and another value negative value as Q. Is it clear children? Positive value take as P, negative value can take Q. So the equation of tangent at first P point is S1 equal to 0 children. So S1 formula is this one, x1 plus y1 plus e of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So in our equation 2g value is how much children? Minus 8. 2f value is minus 2, c value is 12. So send to that side means 2 4 the 2 1s are. So g value minus 4, f value minus 1, c value 12. Substitute your values children. So x into 4 plus root 5 plus y into 1 plus g value minus 4 plus x plus 4 plus root 5 plus minus 1 into y plus 1 plus 12 equal to 0. So here x into 4 is 4x plus x into root 5 is root 5x plus y minus 4 into x minus 4x minus into plus minus 4 4 the 16 minus into plus minus 4 root 5 plus into minus minus y plus into minus minus 1 plus 12 equal to 0 children. So here plus 4x minus 4x cancel plus y minus y cancel children. So remaining terms are root 5x minus 4 root 5 plus write the constants in one bracket children. What are the constants? Minus 1 minus 16 plus 12. So minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 children. So root 5x minus 4 root 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So this can be written as, so this 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5 children. So I have written like that only, root 5 take common, x minus 4 minus root 5 equal to 0 children. Send root 5 that side, multiplication will become division, 0 by root 5 is 0. So you send this all negative values that side children, it becomes x is equals to 4 plus root 5. X is equals to 4 plus root 5. That's why I wrote here x is equals to 4 plus root 5. Is it clear children? Next, the equation of tangent Q 4 minus root 5 comma 1 is S1 equal to 0 children. So here same formula, and already we have seen 2g value is minus 8, 2f value is minus 2, c value is 12 in our question. So g becomes minus 4 minus 1. Why? Because here 2 table 8 goes 4 times, 2 goes 1 time. So here x into 4 minus root 5 plus y into 1 plus minus 4 into x plus 4 minus root 5 plus minus 1 into y plus 1 plus 12 equal to 0 children. So here x into 4 is 4x. So x into minus root 5 is minus root 5x plus y minus into plus minus 4 root x 4x minus 4x. So minus into plus minus 4 4 is 16, minus into minus is plus 4 root 5 minus into plus minus y minus 1 plus 12 equal to 0 children. So here plus 4x minus 4x cancel, plus y minus y cancel. What are the remaining terms? Minus root 5x plus 4 root 5 plus write constants children, integers, minus 16 minus 1 plus 12. So minus 16 minus 1 minus 17 plus 12 is minus 5 children. This 5 can be written as 5 into 5. So take minus 5 common children, it will become negative, will become positive, x positive will become negative, is minus 4. Again negative will become positive, plus root 5 equal to 0. So in this that side children, it will become division, 0 by something is 0. So you'll get x minus 4 plus root 5. So in this value that side children, same, negative will become positive, positive will become negative. So x is equal to 4 minus root 5. That's why I wrote here x value is 4 minus root 5. Is it clear children? Next, 7th one children. Find the equation of tangents of the circle x square plus y square minus 10 at the points whose abscissa are 1. Abscissa means x-axis children. So given equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 10 equal to 0. So coordinates of P are abscissa means x coordinate 1, y coordinate y1 only take children. So P is a point on the circle. P is a point on the circle children. So means x value is 1, y value is y1 children. Substitute in this circle 1 square plus y1 square minus 10 equal to 0. So 1 plus y1 square minus 10 equal to 0 children. Write y1 square as it is. 1 minus 10 is minus 9. So 9 can be written as 3 square. Clearly it is in the form of a square minus b square. Formula is a minus b into a plus b. Here a value is y1, b value is 3 children. Means y1 minus 3, y1 plus 3. So minus 3, so write separately children. Y1 minus 3 equal to 0 and y1 plus 3 equal to 0. Send minus 3 that side, plus 3 that side. So minus will become plus will become minus. 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Therefore coordinates of P are 1 comma minus 3 and Q 1 comma 3. So equation of tangent at P 1 comma minus 3 is s1 equal to 0, x1 plus y1 minus 10 equal to 0. So x into 1 plus y into minus 3 minus 10 equal to 0. So x into 1 is x, plus into minus minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Equation of tangent at Q 1 comma 3 is s1 equal to 0, same x1 plus y1 plus minus 10 equal to 0. So here x1 is 1, y1 is 3. So x1 is 1 means x into 1 plus y into 3 minus 10, x plus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. So which are the required equation of tangents. So is it clear children? With this we have completed second section children.